Hey, welcome everybody to this video. Actually, we're gonna work on header right now. So if you click on the main website, you're gonna see like we have two headers. You need to go to the dashboard menus in order to create a new menu. So if you take a look at the menu right now, we have a new menu called main menu. You got home, blog, sample page, and that's it. So I need to remove from this menu the blog right now, or let's keep it. I need to keep the blog, but I need to add additional items. So if you click on the items, we create here home gallery. So in order to create services, gallery, testimonials, about us, facts, and contact, you need to make sure that you have sections with these names inside your home page. So I'm gonna go to the menu, click on the custom links, and start adding these links. So let me try to split the page. Click here on Control Window L button. Let me go back here. Say, all right. I'm sorry for this interruption. All right. So not window L, window lift button. So here, click window lift button, and I'm gonna try to work this page. All right. So let's add these pages. Home, we got home. Blog, we added that additional one. We get services. So in order to work with services, you're just gonna do the following. You're just gonna copy the website, and then I'm gonna say hash services. All right, the same thing for the rest of the links. So gallery, the same thing for gallery. Testimonials, about us, it's gonna be about minus us. All right, and facts is gonna be facts. Contact gonna be contact. So I'm gonna add these to the menus. So let's start adding these. Let's start with the services. So services, add to menu. And next, gallery, add to menu. Testimonials, add to menu. About us. Notice here how is about us. About us is basically there's a minus here. So I need to remove this minus in the link text. This minus is just basically within the link, not within the link text. The facts are going to be facts, without the hash, of course. And the contact is the last one. So we bought contact. All right, add to the menu. You can move the blog to the last one. All right, so these are section, the main sections. I'm gonna click here display location for this main menu to be primary, and click on save. And once you're done with this, you need to go to the Thrive theme builder, and we need to select the main menu to be the main menu for the theme. So we're gonna go here to the Thrive builder. So this is the current theme. I'm gonna click on the side wizard, and for side wizard we're gonna click on menu, and here we're gonna activate menus on site. You can see that button here, activate menus on site, and then preview the site. So once you preview the site, you're gonna see the following. We have like two menus right now, but we don't have the actual menu. So sometimes you need to remove the cache, so it's not a caching issue. So we need to modify the menu within Thrive Architect. So we go edit with Thrive, and once you go edit with Thrive, you select actually the header and click edit header. Notice here inside edit header I have two menus. So this is the open menu icon, and we have also another one here. like we have two icons. The custom menu itself is called type hamburger, and the menu source is main menu. All right, you can see here the menu source is main menu. You can change the style to what you want. You can see like horizontal, you can make it like that, or you can make it like hamburger or vertical. The way that I'm gonna use it here to be hamburger, and notice here I'm gonna remove the whole section because like I have duplications, and after I do this I'm gonna go here, search for custom menu, and add it to the column. But you cannot do this unless you are in edit header mode. So again, menu, search for menu, custom menu, you add it inside the column, and then you choose the layout of the menu. So what type of menu we're gonna make? We're gonna make menu like this one, standard drop down, and use a WordPress menu. We're going to choose the main menu and select template. So the main template that we're going to work with going to be very simple. We have like many templates, many ways to display the menu. I'm going to go with this type. All right. And the type is hamburger, so once somebody click on the hamburger icon, it's black, so it should be white because the color is white. So once somebody click on this hamburger icon, we should display the menu. All right. Of course, you can edit the design if you want. You can add like typography. There's like layout here. The maximum width, we can minimize it. All right, can minimize it like that, and the hamburger icon itself can be changed to white color because, and notice here the items inside the menu itself, you can change them. We have here the normal mode. The normal mode, you're talking about typography with this color, so we can change it to something regarding to my theme color. And on hover, of course, you can also change the color. So on hover, you click on hover, and the background, you can change it to a different color if you want. So like this one, or like this one, or like white color if you want. And the active color for the menu is like that, so you can change it to, like, we put this color and we change the main option to the typography color to be like white, and we increase the boldness of the service once it's activated. So that's gonna be like the design of the menu. Now you can check the design on different screens like here. All right, and the get in touch button also, you can change it. So this is the get in touch button, should be a link, so I'm gonna change it to be a telephone number. So tell the number directly and click OK. So this is the get in touch. Or we can change it to call us now, okay? Because we need something direct to the point. I'm not a service, consultation service. We are, you know, a towing service. So just call me. I'm gonna be by your side. That's basically the logic. All right. So this is the main menu. These are the main sections in the menu, and after this, we just save the work, and we need to fix something here related to the links. So this is the home section. So this is basically the home page. This is the our services section. So we need to make like the HTML attribute should be ID services. If you scroll a little bit more, we're gonna go to the gallery. So this is gonna be the gallery section. Notice here capital letter, the ID, because we need to scroll to it. So after that we have the ID. This section is testimonials, and the last section here is the get started section. So we can make it like contact section. All right, and this part the facts section. So we need to add facts, and the contact section is basic, or the about us section is basically the main section here. So we can make this as about us section, and after that we just save the work, save the changes. So once you save the changes and preview, you can see right now, if you click in the menu, click on the home, will be taken to home. If you click on services, we're going to be taken to services. If you click on the testimonial, we'll be taken to testimonials. All right, and if you click on the contact, we'll be taken to the contact. If you click on the blog, we'll be taken to the blog page. All right, so that's basically the hamburger. If you didn't like the design of the hamburger, like the way that we did here, actually we could change it to something else. So let me click on the edit with Thrive, and if I click on edit header, you can see this is the custom menu. This is layout. This is the main option. All right, so this is the custom menu. This is the menu source. So the display is, we can say here, off screen right, off screen left. We can add overlay as well. All right, and after this we can save. And now can preview the changes. So let me exit from this.com. Click here. So now you can see we got that nice looking design. All right, this is a different combination if you want to make a menu in a different shape or in different format. Okay, so I basically say off screen, and here off screen left, and view expand menu editor. All right, you can see how it looks. All right, so this is the layout position, main menu, or the custom menu, include typography, background color. You can make it like that. And of course you can save the work and reload. Yeah, don't forget to wait until the option is saved, and you can of course change the whole settings based on that. Alright, you can preview the changes in the Cognito screen. Let me see. This should be changed, the logo. So click on the edit with Thrive, and once somebody click on the header, the logo, edit header, I need to make sure this logo is correct. It's taking me to the website, not to any external services. Alright, so the custom menu, you need to play around with it. You can see, let me see how it looks. Okay. Main options, this is vertical, edit menu design. You can change the menu design, including typography. This is the color, background. Okay, you can make it like this color. I think that's much better, and click done. So once you finish the work, you just save, and boom, we get the menu. It's nice looking menu over there. So click services, it's going to be navigated to service. Click on the about us, navigate to about us section. Click on services, services. Click on the fax, it's going to be navigated to fax. And it's responsive, so you can review it on mobile devices and you can see how it looks. That's really amazing. So that's for the header, guys, and for the menu. Hope you liked the video. Hope you integrated everything together. It's really simple once you understand all the steps required. It's not fancy, it's not complicated, but it is easy, hard. It's because you need to know everything, where to modify it and how to modify it. One last thing regarding to, the editing mode. Once you start working the website, for example, you can see here right now, call us now at. So I think it's better to move this into a separate line. If you cannot move it to a separate line, you can actually try to make more spaces. All right, and once you make more spaces, you're gonna get it like that. So this should be highlighted with, you can make an underline for this line, and if you wish, you could make it more bigger, like 22, and change the color, just the color of this part. So there's opacity. I can remove that opacity to make it direct to the point. All right, and after that we click on the save setting and apply, and we're gonna preview it, and now it's really perfect. So for the gallery section, is not working because we renamed it to gallery capital letter, not small letter. So you need to make sure once you apply changes to reflect that inside your links. So this is the button, should be gallery with G letter, capital letter. The same thing for this gallery over here, should be capital letter. You just save the work. Don't forget to preview the work after you change it. This is the menu. This is our gallery. It works perfectly. This is the call us button. You click on it, you'll be taken to the call page. So let me see if I browse, if I go to my mobile phone and try visit adultowing.com. Once I click on call now, you can see the button is working right there. That's really cool. So that's pretty much, guys, how you modify the header. Of course, you can format the footer and fix the footer. We're gonna do that in the future videos. Thank you, guys.